Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good afternoon to our Professor Madia Dr. Noya. So today we are going to present for our subject English for Oral Reporting LCC402 and our title is Malaysian Lifestyle Leads to Obesity. My name is Fatin Alia and this is my friend.
My name is Nunista binti Fatin.
Okay, let's start our presentation. Okay, for the first one, I might start with our purpose of this presentation. The first one is to identify how Malaysian lifestyle leads to obesity. And the second one is to show the percentage of overweight and obesity prevalent among adults in Malaysia. So for the introduction, overweight and obesity have become increasingly common in Malaysia. According to the National Health and Mobility Survey, they are affecting more than 50% of adults. The rise in overweight and obesity is linked to inactive lifestyle, poor eating habits, and low physical activity. Most adults, which is 95.1%, fail to eat enough fruit and vegetables, and higher rates are seen among women and adults aged 30 to 59 and ethnic groups such as Malays and also Indians.
Moving on to the next part is credibility. Credibility means the fact that someone or something can be believed or trusted. As we know, obesity and overweight have become major global health issues that affect people of all ages. This condition results in an excessive build-up of body fat, typically caused by an imbalance between the calories consumed and those burned.
So let's move to the background of the topic. Definition of obesity defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that presents a risk to health. A body mass index (BMI) over 25 is considered as overweight and over 30 is obesity. While the definition of overweight is a condition where a person has more body weight than is considered healthy for their height, mainly due to excess fat, muscle, bone, or water. It is commonly identified using the body mass index (BMI).
Okay, this is the central argument. Reason why Malaysian lifestyle leads to obesity. The first point is what we eat. As we know, popular Malaysian dishes often contain coconut milk, oil, and sugar. For example, nasi lemak, rendang, and rocam. Fried and fast food are also can lead to obesity. And the second point is unbalanced diet. An unbalanced diet can lead to obesity primarily due to excessive calorie intake and nutrition deficiency. When you consume more calories than you burn through daily activities and exercise, your body stores the extra energy aspect contributing to weight gain and obesity. The last point is less exercise. People that lack of physical activity such as sedentary lifestyle due to space also can get obesity. Okay, this is the first chart, which is pie chart. The title of Overweight and Obesity Prevalent Among Races in Malaysia. The description of data taken from SWON. But we can see that Indians are the most high percentage, which is making up 35.7%. A study by the National Institute of Health found that Indians in Malaysia tend to engage in less physical activity and consume fewer fruits and vegetables compared to Malay and Chinese. Food choices such as roti canai chapati with high intake of sugary drink and processed food, along with a preference for sweet food, can contribute to weight gain and obesity. The second height is Malay people, which is at 32%. This is because many Malaysians have a sedentary lifestyle, spending more time sitting and then engaging in a regular physical activity. This lack of exercise, combined with a very rich diet, contribute to an increase in the prevalence of overweight and obesity. And for Chinese people, they make up for 19.7%. Chinese community generally have lower obesity rates compared to Malay and Indian communities. This difference might be attributed to factors like cultural dietary habits, income level, and lifestyle choices. For example, traditional Chinese cuisine often emphasize smaller portion, fresh ingredients, and a greater variety of vegetables, while many ethnic nation dishes like nasi lemak and roti canai are quite in calories and fat. And the others they make up 12.6%.
So let's move on to the chart 2, which is the bar graph. This bar graph actually describes about overweight and obesity prevalence among adult Malaysia. The source is from National Health and Mobility Survey reports 1996, 2001, 2006 and also 2015. So the description of data is actually taken from Professor Dr. Hamid Jan bin Jan Mohammed, member of the Herbalife Nutrition Advisory Board. So the analysis of the data, obesity prevalence increased from 5% in 1996 to 17% in 2015. And the overweight prevalence increased from 12% in 1996 to 30% in 2015. And the 1996 shows the least percentage for both overweight and obesity prevalence among adults. This one highlights a growing public health concern, showing that the percentage of Malaysian adults struggling with high issue has steadily increased over the years.
To sum up, the growing obesity rate in Malaysia is largely influenced by a lifestyle that involves minimal physical activity, unhealthy eating patterns, and prolonged sedentary behavior.
So the last one is a reference. Before I end this presentation, I would like to show you our reference for today's presentation. As you can see, there are links that we use to support all the facts and data for the presentation. I think that is all from us. Thank you.